This is the Ultrahuman Ring Air, and I've been wearing it for the past 2 months. And I'm here to share with you guys my personal experience with this ring. Ano ba yung mga pros and cons niya and kung worth it ba siya. Ultrahuman Ring sent this to me to review. And yung usapan namin is re-review ko siya as honest as possible. Meron ako mga pros and cons about this ring. So let's start with the cons, and the first one really is hindi ako masyadong makapagbuhat with this. I can't lift with this because masascratch siya. A ring isn't really the most optimal thing to wear pag magbubuhat ka. Whether if it's heavy pulls, mga deadlifts, or even dumbbells, anything that you have to grip, medyo hassle gamitin tong ring na to. Masakit na siya sa kamay and magsascratch pa siya. So that is the first major con. Syempre, yung channel ko is mostly about lifting, fitness, health. This ring, hindi mo siya masyado magagamit kung magbubuhat ka. The second problem I have with this ring, it gets kind of sweaty after a while. So, medyo umiinit yung ilalim ng finger mo. So, sometimes I have to switch the ring to my other finger. Hindi ka sanay magsuot ng ring, this is going to be a new experience for you. It's gonna be uncomfortable sa start, pero masasanay ka rin at magiging okay rin siya pagtagal. The next con would be the battery life. Although it's not so bad, it can last you siguro mga 2 to 3 days na hindi mo siya i-charge. Then, kailangan mo na siya i-charge again. But then again, i-charge ko siya every time I go to the shower. I don't wear it when I take a shower. Pero you can. Waterproof siya. I just personally don't like, lalo na kung nagsha-shampoo ako ng ulo or nagsasabon ako ng katawan, I don't like wearing this ring. So battery life could be better, but it's not so bad to the point na kailangan mo siyang i-charge araw-araw. So for me, yun lang yung cons niya after 2 months of use. Pero yung pros niya really outweigh the cons. So the first pro that I have is that it looks and it feels good. Stylish din siya. Doesn't look like it's technology, but it's the new age wearable tech na medyo fashionable. They come in a lot of colors, parang 6. I got Bella Raw Titanium one, so ang ganda rin nung kanya, and she loves it so much. Very stylish bagay when we're going out. You can just literally wear this throughout any occasion. Second pro that I like about this ring, kasi yung other rings may subscription fee para magamit nyo yung services ng ring or para makikita nyo yung health monitors, yung mga data points. Pero this ring, hindi mo kailangan ng subscription fee to get the most out of it. Once you buy the ring, pinoprovide na niya kaagad yung basic details na kakailanganin mo. No subscription fees needed, and that is a huge plus. The third pro that I like about this ring is the app. Sobrang convenient, sobrang easy to use, and it shows you a lot of detailed reports that are easy to understand. After a week or 2 of using this ring, nung nakuha na niya yung habits ko, pagka-open ko ng app, ang dami ng naging accessible na information. So, it was very easy to digest. Hindi ako na-overwhelmed, hindi siya mahirap. And they send you a lot of reports from your temperature, yung sleep quality mo, yung supposed health age mo. It gives you a daily report at the end of the day. Meron rin siyang end of the week weekly report. To follow that up, since meron nga siyang detailed report na binibigay sa'yo, mas magiging conscious ka about your health. So ako, yung sleep, lagi kong problemang sleep. Lagi kong sinasabi sa channel ko yan before. It shows you a number, yung sleep score mo, ilang hours ka natulog kagabi, ilan yung sleep cycles mo. Kung may utang ka pang sleep, so they call it sleep depth dito. So far, it's been very accurate. Kahit nagnanap ako, nare-recognize nung app na nagnanap ako. So it's a very smart ring, and sobrang na-appreciate ko na may ganito na palang technology. Yung steps and activity tracking are very accurate kasi side by side ko siya with my watch that I've been using na accurate din to mag-track ng steps and mag-measure ng heart rate. So, I would say that the ring is very accurate in that sense. May time lang na naglalakad ako sa treadmill, tapos hawak ko yung phone ko with my left hand, the hand where the ring is placed. Tapos hindi niya natatrack yung steps ko kasi nga, ayun, hawak ko yung phone ko. The finger has to at least move. And meron rin siyang caffeine window, which I appreciate. Sasabihin niya sa'yo, when is the best, most optimal time for you to take caffeine? Kasi tayo, di ba, pagkagising natin, magkakape ka agad tayo. No-brainer. Pagkagising na pagkagising. So, sinasabi niya dito is you delay caffeine to a certain time in the morning para ma-build lang yung natural alertness mo. Hindi yung nakasalalay ka kaagad sa kape, di ba? Kasi usually, pagkagising mo, bangag ka pa, tapos kakape ka na kaagad to start your day. You push that, you prolong that a little bit, and bibigay niya sa'yo yung time para mag-avoid kayo ng midday crash. Just a quick story as well. I appreciate this ring so much kasi in the previous week, nagkasakit kami ni Bella. Nagkahawaan kami. We had a bad case of the flu. And to the point na nagkaka-fever kami. And the ring was the one telling us na, oh, may fever na kayo. Nauna pa yung ring na magsabi na feverish kami. Then we found out ourselves. So pagka-check nga namin ng temperature, totoo nga, meron nga kaming slight fever that time. Alam mo yun, sobrang handy to have around. Parang siya na nga yung nag-alert sa amin na may lagnat kami. Siya pa yung nagsasabi na parang recover muna kayo today, sleep in, parang rest, huwag kayo masyadong gumalaw. May ganong feature din tong ring na to, which I was honestly surprised. Now, hindi ko alam yung full details, but I think Bella, nagagamit rin niya for period tracking. Yung mga ladies, yung time of the month, sabi niya fairly accurate daw. And that's also one of the features of this ring. So for my final verdict, I think honestly this ring is worth it. The fact na na-recognize niya na may sakit ako, and it gives me a sleep score, and it gives me advice na ano yung mga kailangan kong gawin to improve my sleep and what time I should be sleeping. So it's actually a good time to get right now kasi I will link in the description. They're running a 30% off sale right now hanggang December 2. So you could use my code UHRJacob25. It says 25 pero 30% talaga yung discount niya. So it's a good time to buy right now. It's a good gift. I would recommend, lalo na kung special someone nyo. So guys, sana nakatulong. This is my honest review. Inuna ko na yung cons, pero I would honestly say the pros outweigh the cons. And if you were to ask me, do I recommend this ring? Yes, I recommend this ring. So sana nakatulong, and I hope to see you in the next video.